Today's tutorial is on a twisting single crochet. The twisting single crochet is shown in the sample with a twisting colorful row of yarn. To work twisting single crochet, you're going to chain one in your main color, single crochet in the first stitch with your main color, insert your hook into the next stitch and pull up a loop. To create the twist, you're going to go into the prior stitch. So you're just going to twist your yarn over and go into the stitch where you worked your very first single crochet. You're going to drop your main color of yarn, grab your colors of yarn, 2 strands, and pull up a loop. Now you're going to drop the colorful yarn, go back to your main color of yarn, yarn over, and pull through all 4 strands on your hook. First stitch has been completed. Now you're going to insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop with that main color, twist back over and go into the next stitch, or the prior stitch, sorry. Drop that color of yarn, the main color, pull up the colorful strands of yarn, kind of have to get those beginning strands out of the way. Grab the 2 colors and pull up a loop. Again, you have 4 strands on your hook. Drop the colorful strands of yarn, pull up your main color, yarn over, pull through all 4 strands on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, twist back over, grab those colorful strands of yarn, pull up those loops, drop the colorful strands of yarn, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops with your main color. Again, you're going to insert into your next stitch, pull up a loop, twist over, go into the stitch right before, drop the main color, pull up the colorful strands, drop the colorful strands, grab your main color, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. As you can see, we're creating that twisting. Insert your hook, twist, go into the prior stitch, drop the main color, grab the 2 strands of colorful yarn and pull up a loop. Drop the colorful strands, grab your main color, yarn over and pull through all 4 loops on your hook. It's actually only 3 loops on your hook, but I'm counting all strands of yarn. So you're going to insert your hook. We're going to do a couple more of these. Twist over and go into the prior stitch. Drop the main color. Grab the colorful strands. Drop the colorful strands. Grab your main color. Yarn over. Pull through all loops. When you get to the last stitch, you're going to work it just as all of them. You're going to insert into that last stitch. Pull up a loop. Twist over. Go into the prior stitch. Drop your main color. Pull up the 2 colors, pull it through for the twist, drop the main colors, drop the colors with your main color, yarn over, pull through all 4 loops on your hook, and that is the end of row. Then you can just chain 1 and turn and continue to work in the top of the stitches. At the end of the row, you will cut your yarn, and when your project is completed, you'll have to bury all the yarn ends from the rows. I hope this tutorial was helpful.